What's up, Blue Chips? Just one trade today on LYTS. Let's get to it. All right, traders, so the SPY kind of chopped around all morning, and we were left just waiting for a trade to happen, and thankfully, right before 10:30, LYTS popped up on the scanner. We pulled it up, and it was something that we actually liked. It was going through some previous resistance here. As you can see right at the $5 mark, we got a nice pop up towards 550. It actually looked like it wanted to halt, and I actually kind of like that because it was extending into that halt, and it kind of felt primed for a pullback. Knowing that it couldn't get through 550 before it halted, it also kind of just, I don't know, it kind of played into what I was thinking. I wanted to try to get in at 549 where it tried to halt, but it didn't seem like it wanted to get there. So we hit the ask at 541, and we actually got filled. It did try to halt at 549. It did not. As you can see, it looked like it was going to for a second there, but then it came back out, and then we ultimately got the drop right away for the most part. Is it yummy? But if you go back and watch the live trade, which I will link right over there, you will see that we actually ended up taking it a penny short of our take profit. We were on the bid for quite a while there at 521. It looked like there was even some prints under that at 518, but we just couldn't get our fill at 521. The ask finally came down to 522, and we just took it off right then and there because we weren't sure that it was going to give us the fill. So, and as you can see, it was the right move. It actually went right back up, right towards high of day. It got up to 543, and then ultimately it did drop all the way back down to 506, and we would have got our fill. But that's obviously hindsight. This thing could have went high of day and kept running, and just like it ultimately ended up doing over here, ended up going up towards 6. So not going to be too upset with the trade. Actually almost jumped back in here at 6. I was going to get into this. I was watching it as this happened. If it popped through 6, we didn't quite get it, and this dropped down rather quickly, so we ended up missing it. There was a descending triangle here as well that we thought about getting in, but at this point I was dealing with the kids already, and I was ready to get off. So we're just going to take the one trade, be happy, and we'll move on to tomorrow, and we're just going to leave it at that. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Always appreciate that support. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.